channel. It's your girl Nessa Period, and I'm back with another video, you guys.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment.
As y'all can see from today's title, I will be doing yet another wig install, you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much to MegaLook Hair for sending me over this 24-inch Wet n Wavy HD crystal lace wig to me. All the specs and details will be in the description box down below. And yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna do too much talking. This wig was very easy to work with. As y'all can see, no lace detected whatsoever. So this is a true undetectable crystal lace wig, and if this is the perfect wig for the Christmas, summertime, any time of time, winter, fall, and summertime, y'all. So make sure you check the description box down below to get all the specs on this wig. Thank you so much to MegaLook Hair for sponsoring this video, and yeah, let's get right into it.
Seeing you by ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Between us, just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and we turn it back to life. I'm here to the sun, hold you for life.
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me and down, oh young down. Not tell me no, baby, come give me a lo. Tell me like whoa. Shawty, come give me a lo. I see this fine girl from my party, she way hello. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now you might find situation to use they tell I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no follow. When you gonna phone for one? When you know I phone for one? Then I start to feel like I'm one. She dey give me small one. I know, so she start to sit down one. But she feeling insecure, 'cause her friends when they come my light ring go on. Yeah, I know I'm trying for you, I get down on. My hips make you cry when I'm moving around you. Do it once, do it twice. Hit the spot, you hold me tight. Need a taste for a night. Baby, show me you can calm down. Dance with me and take the lead now. Got you so high that you can't come down. Don't you ask me now, you're alone. When it's you, I'm passing me. Baby, in the got me like baby, don't give me I said it's my house, I say, make a rest, more. As me, I wake up, she did my mind, no more. put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come. But then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. We way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. We way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, you guys. I absolutely embodied this look. Like, if you think otherwise, then I'm sorry for you, because I did that, baby. I did that. Okay, thank you so much to MegaLook Hair for sending me over this wig again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.